Hello, everybody. Before coming to the topic, I have a very basic question to all of you. If I ask you that who is your enemy, what will be your answer? Your answer might be a person you know, but actually, the answer of this question comes from a very famous Sanskrit sloka which says, Alashyam hi manushyanam sarirastho maharipu nastyudyam samobandhu kritva yamnavasidati, which means laziness is the greatest enemy residing in our body, and there is no friend like hard work, and the one who works hard is never sad. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Priya Kumari, and I take immense pleasure in sharing my thoughts on the topic how can we make hard work our best friend? Yes, my dear friends, hard work is our best friend. People believe in destiny, but destiny is separate from free will. Destiny, in my opinion, is an unknown factor which you could not foresee coming, which gives no indication of coming, and which you could not have controlled once it came. So, all those who think that they are destined to have this or that and they will get it should wake up from their slumber and do some works to make their sleepy dream a wake up reality. Harry Golden said that the only thing that overcomes hard luck is the hard work. So, if you want to fulfill your ambitions, work hard and don't be frightened of failure because failure is nothing but just an opportunity to try again, maybe a bit harder this time. Always remember that hard work never goes in vain. Hard work is that type of friend which walks in when rest of the world walks out. Now, I will give you three basic tips by following which you can make hard work your best friend. The first tip that I will give you is that break your big goals into the smaller and easy tasks. Yes, it is important to have big and ambitious goals, but by breaking them into small and easy to complete tasks, you can boost your inner morale and it will give you a feeling of accomplishment and forward momentum. The second tip is that always surround yourself with motivated people. Remember that having peers who inspires you and push you to succeed is really crucial. There is a very famous quote which says, you are the average of 5 persons with whom you share your times. So always make sure that the people with whom you are sharing your time should know the balance between leisure and the hard work. And the third and the most important tip that I will give you is that always remember your why. Why you are pushing yourself can provide you with the internal motivation to reach your goals. Finally, I would conclude that we must work hard in the present for a prosperous future. Thank you very much and bless you all.